Welcome to the ninth class chapter of Constitutional Design. Students, in this chapter, we have come to know about the South African Constitution, and today we are going to take the topic, why do we need a constitution? हमें संविधान की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है? First of all, we will know what is constitution. Constitution क्या है? Constitution is a set of rules and regulations by which our country runs. ये एक ऐसे नियमों का समूह होता है जिसके द्वारा पूरे देश का शासन चलाया जाता है. It is said that constitution, without constitution, the state is incomplete. The nation is incomplete. संविधान के बिना देश क्या होता है? अधूरा होता है. जब तक हम देश को चलाने के लिए नियमों का पालन नहीं करेंगे तो देश में क्या फैलेगी? अराजकता फैलेगी, अनार्की आएगी. That's why to run a country in a smooth manner we need the constitution. हमें constitution की जरूरत पड़ती है. So let us discuss in detail why we need constitution. हमें संविधान की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है? First is it creates confidence. ये confidence makes है, विश्वास दिलाता है हमें कि जिस जगह हम रह रहे हैं, जिस देश में हम रह रहे हैं, वहाँ पे कार्य प्रणाली किसके अकॉर्डिंग चल रही है? रूल्स रेगुलेशन के अकॉर्डिंग चल रही है. सो इट क्रिएट्स ए बिलीफ इन अस, इट क्रिएट्स ए फेथ इन अस. दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Second is it determines power exercised by legislature, executive and judiciary. You know, students, that power is divided into three organs. That is legislature, executive and judiciary. By the constitution they have given the power limit. इनको power limit दी गई है. So that they will not misuse their power. वो अपने power का misuse ना करें. It is written in our constitution. That's why we need constitution. Constitution checks this power of the organs. इस power को क्या करता है? Check लगाता है, limit लगाता है. As you know that the work of legislature is to make the laws, and implement the laws is the work of the executive, and to resolve the disputes, the work of the judiciary. So these all works have been mentioned in our constitution. Next one is it specifies checks and limitations on power. Same thing, it specifies checks and limitation on power. Powers पर ये specify, powers को specify करता है and then keep on check on them and keep the limit on them so that they will not misuse their power. Next one है it safeguards rights and duties of the citizens. ये citizens की rights और duties को safeguard करता है, सुरक्षा देता है. In our constitution we have both our rights and duties also. Our rights may be taken in some special circumstances, in emergencies, but in our constitution it is written that rights are given to the citizens for their development. The government can't take them, वो उसको नहीं ले सकती है. But in some circumstances, that is in the type of that when there are any emergency, आपातकाल में ये हमारे से लिए जा सकते हैं. Otherwise, we have given the rights for our development. Next is it expresses aspiration of the people. The main thing is that it expresses aspiration of the people. लोगों की आशाओं पर ये खरा उतरता है. The people keep faith, belief in the constitution. That's why constitution is made for the country. So there is a great importance of constitution for the smooth running of country and also for the faith of the people. Thank you.